Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain 9th class Maths Statistics, Chapter 9, Exercise 9.1, fourth question. 3 questions completed previous video. Fourth question I am going to explain. Okay. Now, before going to explanation, first listen the question. A TV channel organized a SMS. What is the full form of SMS? Can anyone? Short message services. Okay, short message services. Poll on prohibition on smoking, giving options like A. Complete prohibition, B. Prohibition in public places only, C. Not necessary. Okay, SMS results in 1 hour were A, B, C. Okay, these are the SMS results 1 hour after. Okay. Now here represent the above data as grouped frequency distribution table. How many appropriate answers were received? Okay, what was the majority of people's opinion? Okay, this is the SMS poll ABC. This is the data given where what is A, what is B, what is C also given. Okay, A is complete provision, B is provision in public places only, C not necessary. Okay, these are the meanings of ABC. Okay, now we should represent the data in frequency distribution table. Okay, so first you have to take option. What are the given options? Frequency, how many times then? Frequency distribution table. Okay, frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Okay, here frequency distribution table ABC. Okay, now options. Yes, now options and frequency. Options given A, B, C. Okay, now in options, how many times A repeated, that we need to count in the given data and we should write. And like a similar way B and C also. Okay, now A how many times repeated in this data? If you will count, it will come 19 times. So A will come in 19 times. Why? Because before only I counted and I wrote the textbook itself. So that I am writing directly. So if you count in your textbook, you can get 19. And B option will come in the given data 36. And C option will come in the data 10 times. So A will come 19 times, B will come 36 times, C will come 10 times. Right. Here, now questions. How many appropriate answers were received? Okay. How many appropriate answers were received? Means that total appropriate answers received. So, total how many appropriate answers received? Okay. Total is equals to, we should add all the options. 19 plus 36 plus 10. Okay. If you add, you will get 36 plus 10, 46. 46 plus 19. Okay. So 15 carry 5, 6. 65. Total appropriate answers we got 65. And what is one more question? What was the majority people's opinion? Okay. What was the majority people opinion? Majority people, how you can know? So maximum number of times which option repeated, that will be the majority. So mostly repeated B. Option B 36 times when compared to A and C. So we can write the majority of people's opinion. The majority of people's opinion. Opinion. Yes. Opinion 36. That is B. That is B. Okay. This is the answer for the fourth question. I hope you understood. Once take the screenshot. Now I am going to explain one more question. Fifth question. Fifth question. Represent the data in the adjacent bar graph as frequency distribution table. Represent the data in the adjacent bar graph as frequency distribution table. Okay. So here, represent the data in the adjacent bar graph as frequency distribution table. Right. Now here, data is given. Frequency distribution form. Data is given. Okay. So this is the given data. From this data, we should write the bar graph. Oh, sorry. Bar graph is given. Frequency distribution table we should write. Frequency distribution table. Distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Okay. So frequency distribution table is here. On x-axis it is given number of vehicles, on y-axis it is given the name of the vehicle. Okay, so here number of vehicles up to 50 given, name of the vehicles also given. Actually it is not clear in the textbook. Take it cycle is given, next car is given, bike is given, auto is given. Okay, now from that we can write the frequency distribution table. Type of vehicle only. Yes, type of vehicle and number of vehicles. How many number of vehicles? So type of vehicle, number of vehicles. Number of vehicles it will come frequency, right? Number of vehicles we can consider as frequency. So type of vehicle is name of the vehicle. Okay. So here car is given, bike is given, next to auto is given, next to cycle is given. Right? Car, bike, auto, cycle. Number of vehicles, that is frequency. Car, how much it is? Car it will be if you take a car it will be 25. Car it will be 25. If you see the graph in the textbook, car is there. Here car it is on x-axis it is 25, it is showing, right? So like that we can see for each and every vehicle and we should write that. So car is 25 and bike is 45, auto 30, cycle 40. From the graph just we should write the type of vehicle, means name of the vehicle, that is car, bike, auto, cycle, and frequency, number of vehicles. So car 25, bikes 45, autos 30, cycles 40. This is the frequency table of the fifth question. Now coming to the sixth question. Sixth question is given. Identify the scale used on the axis of the adjacent graph. Write the frequency distribution from it. So see here, sixth question also graph is given in the textbook. Once see the textbook you can understand. So from that we should write the frequency distribution table, right? Now class is given, number of students are given. Okay, so here class on x-axis took and number of students on y-axis given, right? So we should write the frequency distribution table. Sixth one, answer. Frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Okay. Now class. Headings first write down. Class, number of students. Number of students. Class, number of students. So first class, second class, third class, fourth and fifth. Fourth class and fifth class. Now first class number of students are 40. Second class number of students are 55. Next 65. Next 30, 50. Okay, these are the class wise number of students. Class wise number of students. Once you can draw the table with scale neatly. So just roughly I wrote on the board. It's not sufficient space also on there. So in your notebook, draw the table with the scale neatly. Okay. So first class students 40 are there, second class 55, third class 65, fourth class 30, fifth class 50. So this is the frequency distribution table and scale. Identify the scale also they asked in the question. So scale is on x-axis 1 centimeter, 1 class interval. Scale. X-axis. X-axis they took 1 centimeter, 1 class interval. 1 centimeter, 1 class interval. CI means class interval. CI means class interval. Next on y-axis. On y-axis 1 centimeter, 10 students. 10 students. Okay. So this is the answer for the sixth question. Once take the screenshot. It's very easy only. Just from the graph we should write the distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.